And for the final updates today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. Starting off with gold on the 1 hour time frame. What we can see is we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, which is something that we'd been calling for a little while. So this is our swing structure. And now this one's difficult because I think further downside will happen if there is no peace deal talks. However, I think with a peace deal talk, we'll start to see some further upside. Now, I will anticipate we'll hear some further news over the weekend. As we all know, Trump likes to make big major news announcements when markets are closed. So I would stay away really from gold today. I'd maybe look at some upside just until this point of liquidity. But then after that, following swing structure, we can expect further downside. But following fundamentals, we should be looking for further upside. So I'd be very careful on gold today. Only 15-minute positions, in and out, maximum target of this liquidity high over here. If we move on to Bitcoin, on the daily time frame, what we can see is our break of structure, followed by our swing range. What we've done is we've liquidated this high with a demand chain that's been pushing price in towards the upside. However, since taking that high, we've now seen a break and a close below that supply zone. So if we move down onto the 4 hour time frame, what that will mean is a 4 hour swing switch bearish. So this is our 4 hour break of structuring towards the downside, and this is our current swing range. So still any retracement to any points of liquidity, I will be looking for that confirmation, structure shift, and I will be shorting back down towards the daily week swing low. If we move down onto the 1 hour time frame, there is a chance you could take it from here. However, though, because we have, and that high is relatively strong because it's liquidated something, but the only issue is that we've had a higher time frame break of structure. So the 4 hour needs a retracement for perfect conditions. So therefore the 1 hour is just a little bit lower probability. But any of these liquidity points could be the fuel to just break even the 1 hour again and start targeting this weak swing low.